How to add Eventbrite tickets to your Wix website. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. Once on your Eventbrite dashboard, I want you to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to select the second icon from the top left-hand corner, which is Events. After doing that, you're going to scroll down and you're going to select the event that you would like to add the ticket from. So let's say, for example, this event right here, we're just going to tap on the event. After you have selected the event, what I want you to do next, you're going to tap on copy link in the top right hand corner. After you have copied the link, you're going to go into Wix. Then from there, you can go over to the top left hand corner and select the plus, which is add elements. Then you're going to tap right where you see embed code. And I want you to select embed a website. You're going to tap right there. After doing that, you're just going to paste in the link that you have copied. After you have pasted in the link, you're going to tap on apply. And then you can see it right here. All you'll need to do now to adjust it, we can quickly adjust it by simply pulling along the end right here. After doing that, if we were to, for example, preview it, you can see how it looks. So let me adjust it right here. And if we were to tap on preview in the top right hand corner, you can see the ticket is displayed and also the percentage off. And once they tap on get tickets, they'll be redirected to a new page. Then from there, you'll be able to choose the type of tickets you want. And by the way, if you like to create different tier tickets like what you see right here, I'll be leaving a link in the description showing you how I did that. So they can select the type of ticket they want, then they select checkout. After doing that, they'll be able to enter their information, and from there they'll be able to select the payment method and follow through with the checkout. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.